Hey, what is up YouTube? Welcome back to Ready Technoboy, and today I'm gonna unbox this Wi-Fi router from D-Link. The model number is DIR-615 and it comes with 3 years of warranty. So that's a very nice thing, and you can see that's a router with two antennas and wireless N300 router. That means it has up to 300 Mbps of speed. So this is the complete sealed box packing, you can see, and the price is 1800 inclusive of all taxes. Month and year of manufacture February 2020, but the price on Amazon was like 1099 and I got this for, you can see, 1199 because I paid 100 extra just to get it delivered the next day. Like I ordered yesterday and I got it delivered today because I needed this. That's why I paid extra, but the price is 1099. And so this is the best router at this price range, and from D-Link, the most trusted brand, and this is a very good for everyday use. So this is a complete sealed box packing, you can see, and here it says 300 speeds, fast Ethernet ports, simple setup, and WPS. And on this side you can see some features are there, and one internet port and 4 LAN ports. And on this side you can see how to get in the box: the wireless router, power adapter, Ethernet cable, and a quick install guide and warranty documents. And the minimum requirements are here. See, Windows or Macintosh or Linux based operating system, Internet Explorer 10, Microsoft Edge 2, Chrome 48, and all the stuff. So let's just open it. So there it is, and this is the warranty information here, and this is the quick installation guide and how to install it step by step. So everything is there. Here you can see how do I configure my DIR-615 router manually, and you need to open a web browser, and that's the address and username and password admin, and there you put all the IP address that provided by your ISP. So that's it, very easy. And now let's take a look at this. You can see 3 LEDs are there. That's the power, and that's the Wi-Fi signal, and that's for the internet, and 2 nice antennas are on both sides. And there you can see that's the one for the internet, and that's the LAN 1 2 3 4. This will go to your PC, and from whatever your internet service provider give you a media converter box. From there, one LAN cable will come here, that's the input, and one of this will work as the output. That's the power supply, 9 volt, 0.6 ampere, and that's the WPS reset button. And at the bottom some vents are there, and that's it. It's very nice, and the power input is written here, 9 volt, 0.6 ampere, and the username admin and the password admin. So That's it. And this is the LAN cable with the RJ45 jacks, and that is the power adapter, 9 volts, 600 milliamps. So that's what all we get in the box, and I'm gonna set it up. I'm gonna see how it works. So that's it, guys. That's all for today. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.